Ever wished your Hyundai Veloster had that factory-fresh cruise control feel, even if it didn't come with it? Well, this little button set promises to bring that missing piece right to your steering wheel, and honestly, it delivers. We're talking about the EUPLI 96710-2V600 car multifunction button, specifically designed for the Hyundai Veloster models from 2013 to 2017. The first thing that really stands out about this accessory is the claim of easy install and durable use. And from what we've seen, that's absolutely true. This isn't some fiddly aftermarket part that requires you to be an electrical engineer. It's designed for a direct install, meaning you won't be wrestling with wires or needing specialized tools. The part number 96710-2V600 ensures you're getting the exact match for your Veloster, and that correct connector, no cutting or splicing detail is crucial, a massive relief for anyone tackling car mods. You literally just plug it in, and you're good to go, assuming your car has the underlying wiring for these functions, which many base models do. The quality here is genuinely impressive. It boasts great quality and great fitment, and it really does look and feel like an OEM part. The buttons have a solid, tactile feel, not flimsy at all, which is exactly what you want from controls you'll be using constantly. Imagine finally having cruise control at your fingertips, or easily managing your audio without taking your hands off the wheel. It's genuinely satisfying to add a feature that feels so integral to the driving experience. Digging into the specs a bit, it operates at a standard 2 volts, uses a reliable one-way circuit with a normally open contact type, and features a push-button actuator. The terminal is a blade type, making for a secure connection. Plus, with an IP65 international protection rating, it's built to withstand a bit of dust and water, and the copper contact material suggests a long, reliable life. These aren't just fancy numbers. They translate to a robust and dependable accessory. For Veloster owners who have been missing these conveniences, this accessory feels like a no-brainer. It's not just about adding buttons, it's about enhancing your daily commute, making it safer and more comfortable. The direct install mounting type means less hassle and more time enjoying your upgraded ride. So, for Hyundai Veloster owners from 2013 to 2017, looking to upgrade their steering wheel functionality with a reliable, easy-to-install solution, the EUPLI 96710-2V600 is a fantastic choice. It delivers on its promises of quality, fitment, and ease of installation, making it a truly valuable addition to your car.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.